Outside na langis. Malaki! Okay, intermediate class final hit. So nagapunta diri sa Maragusan, Davao de Oro. So nadia number 300, it's Makong Dimata. And then number 13, it's Dodong Bandigan. So number 10, it's San Polarangis. So Rayo Ipanag of Team BM 111.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Shutdown.
Live na karon. Intermediate class final hit. Pila upat na mila kabok. Okay, 10 laps. Wala. San Polarangis, Dodong Bandigan, Makong Dimata, Rayo Ipanag. Ay, Makong Dimata nilusot. Sila. Wow. It's Makong Dimata on the lead. And San Polarangis on second, Rayo Ipanag on third. Sila. Double! Double! Wala! Tuwara! Wow, 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 wow! Rayo Ipanag on third, Dodong Bandigan on third. Tuwara, oh! So, still Makong Dimata. Araw. 10 laps niya, 10 laps, 10 laps. Makong Dimata on the lead. San Polarangis on second, Rayo Ipanag on third. And Dodong Bandigan. Double, double. Tuwara. Tuwara. Wow, wow, wow. Tara. It's Makong Dimata. Makong Dimata gyapon leading. Araw. Love. So still the Lightning, Makong Dimata on the lead. Wow. Rayo Ipanag on third. Wow. Still Makong Dimata on the lead. Arangis on second, Rayo on third. Araw. Wow, short. Wow. Kicks versus kicks. Rayo Ipanag. Boylo Props. Battle of first.
Next in line, 50-65. Next in line, 50-65.
Dodong Bandigan Japon, ikaw pa sa Dodong Bandigan Japon.
50-65.
Hala, nagkadool na si Arangis ka Makong Dimata. Inside Makong, outside Arangis. Hala ka! Tuwara ka namin! Kilo pa rin! Grabe! sa'yo, Makong Dimata? Anong nangyari sa'yo, Makong Dimata? Nakakuha. Grabe, rangis bay. Grabe kayo so rangis bay. Oro. Dikit yan po ng laban ha. Battle of first. Inside. La Tuara. Rayo Ipanag. Tuara. Wow. La Tuara, grabe. Battle of first.
Last call, 50-65.
Wow.
65.
Arangis Quiapo, no on the lead. Tuara oh. La. Wow, dikit ang laban. Dikit ang laban nilang tulo. Alaka Tuara. Allah! Wow! Up! Allah! Rayo Ipanag sana. Behind Makong Dimata. Oro. Dodong Bandigan yapon ikaw pat. Dikit ang laban. Rayo Ipanag versus Makong Dimata. Oro. La Arangis still on the lead. La. Wow. Oops. Short. Arangis on double. Wow. Makong Dimata. Wow. Rayo Ipanag. Oops. Allah. Grabe. Dikit ang laban. Battle of second. Rayo Ipanag versus Makong Dimata. Tuaro. La, dikit ang laban bay. Dikit ang laban. Rayo Ipanag. Oops. Inside. Outside. Oy, white flag. Oh, wala. Lagay, nalubong. Ala. Wow. Ora. White flag. Wow. Waiting for checkered flag. Arangis. Checkered flag. Arangis. Champion intermediate. Jan Paul Arangis. Second Makong. Third Rayo. Ayan o. Checkered. Magandang laban.